How to pair a smartphone. You will need to pair your smartphone to make calls, receive and send texts, or use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. First, ensure Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable on your smartphone. Go to the vehicle's settings menu by tapping the settings icon and tap on the Bluetooth and phone connectivity submenu. Tap Pair New Device to start the pairing process. Once your smartphone appears on the screen, select it and confirm that the passcode on the vehicle's screen and your smartphone match. Tap Pair on both the CX-5 screen and your smartphone. On your smartphone, allow the system to sync messages and contacts, which will enable you to make hands-free calls and send text messages. You will be prompted to start Apple CarPlay for iPhone users or Android Auto for compatible Android smartphones. By selecting Allow All the Time, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto will automatically connect in the future, including full GPS location services.